Hello everyone. Earlier we discussed about the basic definitions of vector calculus. In this video, the definitions and additional definitions and further example we have to see. So next definition is unit normal vector. A unit normal vector is denoted as del pi divided by modulus del pi for the given surface pi. Next, the definition is directional derivative. It is described as del pi into a vector divided by modulus a vector, where or otherwise del pi into n cap. N cap is a vector divided by modulus a vector. So the directional derivative is maximum in the direction of the normal to the surface. Next definition is angle between two surfaces. The formula is cos theta equal to del pi 1 into del pi 2 divided by modulus del pi 1 into modulus del pi 2. The note is if the surface cuts orthogonally, then del pi 1 dot del pi 2 is equal to 0. Further, we have to see one example problems. Find an unit normal vector to the surface x square y plus 2x xz equal to 4 at the point 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. The solution is pi is the given function. So pi equal to x squared y plus 2xz minus 4. Let us taking 4 RHS to LHS. So minus 4. Next, the definition of del pi, that is the formula is del pi equal to I vector into dou pi by dou x plus j vector into dou pi by dou y plus k vector into dou pi by dou z. So here pi is the given function x square y plus 2xz minus 4. So pi is the given function I vector into dou by dou x of pi. Pi is the given function x square y plus 2xz minus 4. In this function, differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, I vector into x square is 2x, so 2xy plus 2xz. Differentiation of 2xz is 2z. Differentiation of constant term, that is minus 4 with respect to x is 0. Therefore I vector into 2xy plus 2z plus j vector into x squared plus k vector into 2x. Therefore del pi at the point 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. Del pi at the point 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. So we have to substitute x y z as 2 minus 2 3. So the final answer is del pi at the point 2 comma minus 2 comma 3 is minus 2 I vector plus 4 j vector plus 4 k vector. So more or less value is the coefficient of root of square of coefficient of I vector plus j vector plus k vector. So more or less del pi is equivalent to the root of coefficient of I vector square. Coefficient of I vector square, that is minus 2 the whole square is equal to 4. So coefficient of I vector is minus 2. So minus 2 the whole square is 4. Coefficient of j vector is 4. So that square is 16. Coefficient of k vector is 4. So 4 square is 16. Therefore the root 36, which means more or less del pi is value is 6. We have to substitute the formula of unit normal vector. So del pi divided by modulus del pi. Substitute this value del pi value minus 2 I vector plus 4j vector plus k vector divided by 6. So which is the final answer of unit normal vector. Similar way to find the second, third problem and fourth problem. Fifth also same way to find the unit normal vector. And seventh problem, given question is, what is the greatest rate of increasing of pi? So greatest rate of change is nothing but del pi, that is modulus del pi. The greatest rate of increasing change is modulus del pi. So we have to find del pi and also find del pi at the point 1 comma given points xyz, that is 1 comma 0 comma 3. So the greatest rate of increase is smallest del pi, that is coefficient root of coefficients of I vector j vector plus k vector, sum of this, so which is equal to 9. So example of next 10th example is based on angle between two surfaces. We will see to the next video. Thank you.